Alright, guys, road trip time. Seatbelts on and let's take in the view. The road is so calm and peaceful. Parang instant reminder that sometimes moments like these make life feel a little lighter.
And here comes the trail, guys. This is not just walking. This is Lakad Akyat Matatag Mountain Edition.
Baby, ingat ah! Sakit! Okay. Hello! Kamusta ang experience? Paglalakad na napakataas. We're here at Chimney Rock. Bababa na kami. We're going down now. Here. Oh, look. Guys. Hello, say hi everyone. We're here at Chimney Rock. Chimney Rock. Ayan, aalis na po kami. Bye-bye, Chimney Rock. Kasama ko si Maricar.
Hi, it's a Chimney Rock.
Ate, hi. Hi. Ate. Hi. Where's my baby? You say hi. What did you say to your viewers? Did you enjoy the Chimney Rock? Bye. Come on, let's go.
Can't forget our first time at Chimney Rock with friends. The view was stunning, the weather was perfect, and the memories definitely worth keeping.